So babe, let's be honest, between the both of us, who's better at setting goals?
That's easy. Of course it's me. But you need reminders.
Okay, fair. But I will say, when we started fasting together, having goals made it so much easier to stay on track.
Absolutely. And that's what we're talking about today. How to start alternate day fasting ADF as a team, set goals and stay motivated together. Because let's be real, fasting can be tough, but when you do it with someone, it's a whole different experience.
If you've ever thought, I want to fast, but I just don't know how to stick with it, or I wish I had someone to keep me accountable, this episode is for you.
We're fasting together, stronger forever, bonded by the trials we weather.
So let's start with the big question. Why do goals matter in fasting? Babe, do you want to take this one?
Because fasting without a goal is like going to a gym without a workout plan. You'll walk around, maybe lift a few things, but you won't really get anywhere.
Exactly. Goals keep you focused and motivated. They remind you why you're doing this when the craving hits.
And honestly, fasting together means your goals don't just help you, they help both of you. When you have shared fasting goals, you're not just doing this for yourself, you're doing it as a team.
All right, so we know why goals matter. Now let's talk about how to actually set them. Because I want to lose weight is not a real goal.
Nope. A good goal needs to be specific, measurable, and realistic. Let's break it down.
This right here is the difference between wishing and winning. When we started ADF, we set goals, clear ones, and it made all the difference.
And let's not forget, the best goals are the ones you set together. If you're fasting as a couple or with a friend, sit down and ask, what do we want to achieve? How will we keep each other accountable?
Okay, so we've set goals. Now what? How do we actually stay motivated when fasting days get hard?
Honestly, celebrate the small wins. People think motivation comes from big results, but it's actually about recognizing progress.
Even just making it to 24 hours deserves a high five. Motivation isn't about waiting for the finish line. It's about appreciating every single step.
And the best part, motivation grows when you share your journey. Tell someone when you hit a new fasting record. Post about it. Encourage someone else.
All right, now is your turn. What's your first ADF goal? Drop it in the comments.
If you want more step-by-step guidance on setting goals, tracking progress, and making fasting a long-term success, check out our book, Fasting Together. It's filled with everything we've learned on this journey.
Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode, where we talk about fasting myths, what's true and what's not.
See you in the next episode. Keep fasting, keep thriving, and let's
Fast together.
We're fasting together, stronger forever, bonded by the trials we weather. Together